This is a simple and fast review of the musesox high circulation compression socks. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like up close, try them on, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
So on the back, it'll give you kind of a quick rundown on how to kind of wear them and help with your process. I'm going to cut these open because they are kind of vacuum sealed. And once we get them out, you'll see they come in a couple different colors. And they do specify left and right, which is always nice to kind of have that as an idea. So we'll go ahead and try them out, test them, put them on, give you a good feel for what they look like. As you can just tell, 3 different variations. So we'll try them out. All right, so following the instructions, you'll want to kind of get this down so that it's easier to get your feet into these. And so just keep the top of the sock kind of down and then just adjust as needed to a comfortable position. Same thing on the other side here. We're just going to slide them on, left being on the left, right being on the right. And then once they're in, it is snug, and just slide them up for comfort. And so real simple to put on, very easy. Again, the concept being that it's going to give you a better circulation with the compression socks. So with 3 colors, can't tell the difference between these being regular socks or compression socks. So definitely worth buying. Multiple options here. I do like the white because they do look like mostly like normal, like athletic socks. But these days I wear colored socks all the time. So worth buying. Hopefully this review helped you. Thanks for watching.